This 2026 CrossRoads Sunset Trail 285CK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by CrossRoads RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new CrossRoads is 32 feet 7 inches in length and features sleeps 4, TV antenna, smoke detector, spare tire kit, carbon monoxide detector, TV, microwave, auxiliary battery, oven, external shower, LP detector, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features kitchen island. The unloaded weight of this 2026 CrossRoads Sunset Trail 285CK is 6,965 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to CrossRoads RV.